Hi everybody, my name is Tamara and I just want to tell you that I am a total Groovester. I love GrooveFunnels. I think it's going to be the best thing ever, but I am a little bit lost. I was a little bit lost, and then I found Alpha Blossom and Tony and his course. He lays everything out in a simple, concise way. He makes everything easy to explain. It's easy to understand and implement. He's always updating his videos, and I just cannot say enough good things about this course. I have learned so much. I've been able to design a few web pages on my own, a few funnels of my own, and I could not have done it without Tony and his amazing tutorials. So if you're thinking about taking the course, I highly recommend it. He is dedicated, he has our back, and he's always updating and making things current. So thank you, and I'll see you later.